Alright, so hello again. Today we'll set up a direct VirtualBox ready Kali Linux version. So we'll go to the directly Kali Linux page. So the first one is the official link. We'll click on it. Here, these are the two main options. If you go with the installed images, then it will take you a lot of time in order to install, maybe around 1 hour, depending on your CPU. And if you select a virtual machine, this is the recommended option. And since we are going to install on VirtualBox, we are going to click here. This will give us a ready to file that we can just extract and run in VirtualBox. So the download has started automatically. Once the download is complete, I am here in my download location. I will go right click and extract all. Now the extraction is complete and we are going to open VirtualBox. Here we are, click on tools and here we have an add option and we are going to select this is a file. We double click and we are ready to go. We just need to click on start and let's wait. So here we have started and it will boot. This is the startup logo. Username is Kali and password name is also Kali, and we click on login. And there we are on the home screen. Everything is already set up. We can go to the file system. We can go to the all apps that we have here. These are the all applications. You can select whatever application you want to use. And we are pretty much there. Just we need to adjust the display size. For that, we just need to press the Windows key and type display and open display. Here, just go to resolution and select according to your PC. So for most of us, this one, and we click here and click on this apply button, and here we are, and keep this configuration, and we'll close this window and we will close these dialogues, and there we are. And here is full screen mode. We need to see. Here we are, and I will click on switch, and there we are in the full screen mode, and this is a real Kali experience. We just need to scroll down, come here in the view and click on this full screen mode. Now we are exited from it. We can now click on just shut down, and that was all about this video. Thanks for watching.